English grammar can feel confusing, especially when small words seem similar but are used very differently. Today, we will clear up three of the most common problems English learners face: since versus from, will versus going to, each versus every. By the end of this lesson, these differences will feel natural to you. Let's begin. Since versus from, why they are not the same. Many learners believe since and from mean the same thing. They do not. Since is used to talk about the starting point of something that began in the past and continues until now. That is the key idea: continuity. For example, I've lived here since 2020. This tells us two things. You started living here in 2020. You still live here now. From, on the other hand, only shows when something begins. It does not tell us whether it continues. For example, I will work from Monday. This only tells us the starting time. Monday is when the work begins, nothing more. So remember this clearly. Since connects the past to the present. From only marks a starting point. Listen to these examples. I've known her since childhood. That relationship still exists. I'll start my new job from next week. The job begins then. Simple rule: since is commonly used with perfect tenses to show continuity. From is used to show the beginning of an action, often in the future or on a schedule. Will versus going to. The difference is intention. Both will and going to talk about the future, but they are not interchangeable. Will is used for decisions made at the moment of speaking. It is spontaneous. Someone knocks on the door. I'll get it. You decided right now. We also use will for predictions based on opinion, not evidence. I think it will rain tomorrow. Going to is used for plans or intentions that were decided before speaking. I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow. This plan already existed. We also use going to when there is clear evidence. Look at the sky. Dark clouds everywhere. It's going to rain. You see the signs. So compare this carefully. I think it will rain. This is a guess. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. This is evidence. So remember, will is for sudden decisions or personal predictions. Going to is for planned actions or clear evidence. Each versus every. Small difference, big impact. Now let's look at each and every. They seem similar, but the focus is different. Each focuses on individuals, one by one. Each student received a certificate. You are thinking about students separately, one certificate per student. Every focuses on the group as a whole. Every student received a certificate. You are thinking about all students together. Another example. Each hand has 5 fingers. This focuses on individual hands. Every hand has 5 fingers. This sounds more general. We often use each when the number is small or specific. We use every when the group is large or general. One more important rule. You can say each of the students. You cannot say every of the students. Final summary. Remember this. Let's review everything clearly. Since shows the starting point of something that continues until now. From only shows when something begins. Will is for sudden decisions or personal predictions. Going to is for planned actions or clear evidence. Each focuses on individuals. Every focuses on the group as a whole. Now listen to this sentence. I've been learning English since morning and I'm going to keep learning every day. Perfect. One sentence, all three concepts. Keep practicing. Pay attention to intention and meaning, not just grammar rules. When you master these small differences, your English will sound more natural, confident, and fluent. You are doing great. Keep going.